Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video, we will see top 20 GK questions which are asked in all the exams. Friends, if you like the video, then do not forget to like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel. So the first question is, with how many states or union territories does Uttar Pradesh share its borders? Right answer is option C, 9. Friends, Uttar Pradesh is the Indian state which shares its border with 8 states and 1 union territory, which is maximum Delhi, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand in north, Bihar and Jharkhand in the east, Rajasthan in west and Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh in the south. Phenol is also known as blank. Right answer is option B, carbolic acid. Friends, phenol is an aromatic organic compound. It is also known as carbolic acid. In 1865, the British surgeon Joseph Lister used phenol as an antiseptic to sterilize his operating field. According to which of the following articles of the Constitution of India can the Parliament amend the Constitution? Right answer is option B, Article 368. Friends, amending the Constitution of India is the process of making amendments to the fundamental law or supreme law of the country. The amendment process in the Constitution is set out in Part 20, Article 368 of the Indian Constitution. Which of the following hills is situated in Assam? Right answer is option A, Karbi Anglong Hills. Friends, the Karbi Anglong Hills is situated in the central part of Assam. It is bounded by the Golaghat district in the East Meghalaya. Karbi Anglong Plateau is an extension of the Peninsular Plateau. Javadi Hills and Seroy Hills are located in Tamil Nadu. Aravali Hills are located in Rajasthan. Wings of Fire is the autobiography of. Right answer is option D, APJ Abdul Kalam. Friends, APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th President of India. He is the first scientist to become the President of India. He served as the President of India from 2002 to 2007. He is the first president to vote in the Assembly election. He is the first President of India to visit the Siachen Glacier. He was honored with the Bharat Ratna Award in 1997. The magnitude of the buoyant force depends on the blank of the fluid. Right answer is option B, density. The world's first chikungunya vaccine has been approved by. Right answer is option A, America. Friends, the world's first chikungunya vaccine has been approved by the US Food and Drug Administration. This vaccine has been named IXCHIQ. This vaccine has been prepared by French biotech company Valneva. Who among the following laid the foundation of Rashtrakuta Empire? Right answer is option D, Danti Durga. Friends, Danti Durga, also known as Danti Varman, was the founder of the Rashtrakuta Kingdom of Manyakheta. His capital was located in the Gulbarga region of Karnataka. Which one of the following dynasties did not belong to South India? Right answer is option A, Pala dynasty. Friends, Pandya, Satvahan and Pallava dynasties belong to South India, whereas Pala dynasty belongs to North India. Founder of the Pala dynasty was Gopala. On which of the following days is the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas celebrated? Right answer is option A, 9th January. Friends, Gandhiji returned to India from South Africa on 9th January 1915. January 9 is celebrated as Pravasi Bharatiya Divas in India every year to commemorate the return of Mahatma Gandhi to India. The day Gandhiji returned to India from South Africa. It was first observed in 2003. When was the national anthem adopted in its Hindi version? Right answer is option D, 24 January 1950. Friends, the national anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana. It was adopted in its Hindi version by the Constituent Assembly as the national anthem of India on 24 January 1950. It was originally composed in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore as Bharato Bhagyo Vidhata. It was first publicly sung on 27 December 1911 at the Calcutta, now Kolkata, session of the Indian National Congress. It was translated in Hindi by Captain Abid Ali and composed by Captain Ram Singh. Which of the following is the only floating national park in India and the world? Right answer is option C, Kibul Lamjao National Park. Friends, Kibul Lamjao National Park is a national park in the Bisunpur district of the state of Manipur in India. The park, which was initially declared to be a sanctuary in 1966, was subsequently declared to be a national park in 1977 through a Gazette notification. Recently, Global Tuberculosis Report 2023 was released by which organization? Right answer is option A, World Health Organization. Friends, the World Health Organization has released the Global Tuberculosis Report 2023, which highlights the impact of tuberculosis on the economy worldwide in the year 2022. After COVID-19, tuberculosis was the second leading cause of death worldwide in 2022. Tuberculosis is an infection caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. This disease affects the lungs. Addison's disease is caused by inefficiency of which gland? Right answer is option C, adrenal. Under whose kingship Fourth Buddhist Council was held? Right answer is option C, Kanishka. Friends, Kanishka patronized the Fourth Buddhist Council. It was held at Kundalwana, Kashmir in 72 AD. At this council, Buddhism was divided into two sects named Hinayana and Mahayana. Kanishka was the great emperor of the Kushan dynasty in the 2nd century. It was presided by Vasumitra, while Ashwaghosh was his deputy. Trona is an ore of which of the following metal? Right answer is option A, sodium. Friends, borax and trona are ore of sodium. The chemical formula of trona is Na2CO3, 2 molecule of NaHCO3, 3 molecule of H2O. The problem of choice between relatively scarce commodities due to limited productive resources with the society can be illustrated with the help of a blank. Right answer is option A, production possibility curve. Which articles of the Constitution of India provides constitutional remedies for the enforcement of fundamental rights? Right answer is option D, Article 32. Which organ of the alimentary canal absorbs water and some salts from undigested food? Right answer is option B, large intestine. World Tuberculosis Day is observed on. Right answer is option D, 24th March.